What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zab. Welcome back to another YouTube video. I wanted to share with you guys what my daily analysis was and how some things have changed in how I trade and what are some of the things I'm looking for while taking a trade and how I'm able to be consistently profitable over the last couple months. This is a learning curve for me. This is an ongoing process. So, I know I've been gone a little bit. I was moving. I'm finally here in Texas now. I used to be in Pennsylvania, so it was a big change, and I am back on my YouTube channel. I'll be posting on every Friday. I'll pre-record these and post them on every Friday, so go ahead and leave down any questions that you guys have. I don't think I can upload every single day. That's just not realistic, but I can upload every Friday, so that way the channel is going to be growing. We're going to have a community together, and if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section below and I can address them. So today's chart was very interesting. It was a very side day move. Today's Monday, the 28th of, we're going to go, if you haven't already, go ahead on the chart of Monday 28th. This video is going to be posting on this coming Friday, and I just wanted to share with you what the analysis was and what I'm thinking. So how I start my day off is I see where there have been previous highs and previous lows on the market, and just kind of pay attention to that and how those levels are being honored, right? So if I come up here, if you look at the chart right behind me, I can make myself a little bit smaller so you can see a little bit better. There you go. Okay, there you go. You can see this was a high, this was a previous low, this was a previous low, this was a previous low, and this was a previous low, and this was a previous high. Okay, so you can see how the chart has acted out in the highs and the lows. So the market opened right around here. We saw a little bit of a pullback. It went back up to it, rejected this again, and came back down, and look where it supported it, right over here. Ideally, what you want to do is you want to wait for this thing to break, and then all of this from this line to this line, we're looking at 580.36, and then we're looking at 578.96, right? These are the two. That's your basically the meat that you're gonna get, right? That didn't happen today, which is perfectly fine. And I just wanted to share with you, how do you wait for confirmation? If you want to wait for a confirmation before you take your entry, you want to be very patient as to what the confirmation you're getting. So you come in here, right? You look at this candle. This box was made on the day, right? You come in the market around 11-12 o'clock, you see, okay, this is the area where it's supported, this is the area it rejected. So morning support became a rejection, and then a rejection again. So this is where what you would make your box at, right? And you want to play it off of this. Once you get a confirmation in this box, then you would be able to play the bounce, or you would be able to play the break and retest. So there's a couple things to note here, right? This is your supply zone, this is your demand zone, right? So let's go ahead and color this guy in. Let's make this a red zone, and we're gonna go ahead and color this guy in and make this a green zone. Again, previous highs, previous lows, previous high, previous lows, combine them together, make a box, and just kind of see what the chart is doing. Now it's coming into your supply zone. You can see on the day this has been honored beautifully. You can see that it bounced off of here one time, it bounced off here twice, and here you can see wicks are starting to form now. The market's still open. It's 1:48. Here the market closes at 3 p.m. Again, I'm in Texas, so an hour behind, right? And so that's what you guys are looking for, right? It comes in here, you wait for a little bit of a confirmation, then you go into calls, right? Same thing here. So the one thing that I did change from my trading when the last time I was uploading, and now I have a 25% stop loss set in place on every single trade, and I have 10% take profit set in place on every single trade. And I wanted to share with you how the month has been going so far. I mean, it's been really, really nice, right? It's been really nice. I made about 1% on my account, and I'm going in with 20% of my account, right? So if my account is $100, I'm gonna be investing in $20 and taking that size. I made about $54.49 on the day today, which is, again, it's a small amount, but you add them over time. And the focus of this channel is going to transition from taking big trades and making the big moves, big money, and switching it down to a smaller time frame and switching it down to a smaller number and just making sure hitting those profits more consistently. I'm really looking for consistency here now instead of trying to make big home runs. Okay, my take profit is actually set at 10%. It might be some days I kick myself for putting it there, but other days, I'm thankful that it's there, because one week comes in, my take profit gets hit and I am already out of the trade, and as the account grows, the 10% is really going to be the bread and butter for me, and as long as I can hit it every single day, I am in the green. I am golden. I am about 9 days on the green streak, and this is what I've been trading. There's multiple other stocks. You can look at my watch list. This is my watch list on the side. I trade a break and retest on all the tech stocks, right? If I see a nice setup, I will take that trade. Some days I take 2 or 3 trades. Some days I just take 1 trade, and I just wait for stuff to happen. Okay, so that's what I got for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I do trade with WEBULL right now. I'm strictly trading with WEBULL for this upcoming year. I do plan on uploading my videos every Friday. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I will make a video on it and maybe answer whatever questions you guys have. Have a great day. Have a great week. I will see you until next time. Peace out.